Today we are talking about the 5 most commonly used foot positions in social dancing or ballroom. It doesn't matter if we're doing foxtrot, waltz, any of our Latin dances, we use all of these same positions. And sometimes they'll even borrow a little bit more from jazz, or our ballroom positions will lend its way to our jazz work or other styles of dance. Here we have first position, in which case your feet are parallel or side by side. This position is used for closing your feet or for turns. It's a good position to be able to press off. Second position, your feet are typically parallel and shoulder width apart. This is how we are able to step from your right to your left. Third position is perpendicular, in which case your heel goes to your instep. This is used for balance as well as turning, and it can go either with your right foot to the front or with your left foot to the front. Fourth position is parallel, and you have 1 foot forward, 1 foot back. Same thing for the other side. This is for your ability to step forward or step backward, whichever you may need. Fifth position, your feet are again perpendicular, but now your heel is to your toe. This again is for balance and for turning, and can be done with either foot.